If you want to know how to fix Cant Enroll to Zelle app, you've come to the perfect video because I found an official answer on zellepay.com. They have their frequently asked questions area with this topic, which says, I'm having trouble enrolling with the Zelle app. What should I do? So let's see what's inside. So first, they recommend us to make sure that you are only enrolling a Visa or MasterCard debit card tied to a bank account in the US. It's really important. You will not be able to enroll business debit cards, credit cards, cards linked to international accounts, gift cards, or prepaid cards from financial institutions outside of the Zelle network. Next, ensure that the information you are entering matches exactly what is on file for your debit card with your bank or credit union. This includes name as it appears, address, debit card number, expiration date, and CVV number. If you are still experiencing technical difficulties, you should contact your bank or credit union to verify the debit card information they have on file. So once you have verified the information, please attempt to enroll again. So the only one problem is in information inside. So make sure that it's correct, and after that, your problem will be solved.